Russia has recently released footage showing its anti-aircraft towers in action, successfully targeting Ukrainian kamikaze UAV drones over the Moscow region. These towers, equipped with pantsir S-1 defense systems, have been highlighted in Russian media as a key response to the growing drone threats over the capital. Moscow Mayor Sergey Sobyanin praised the city's air defense capabilities, reporting that Russian forces intercepted and shot down 10 Ukrainian drones heading toward Moscow. He shared on Telegram that the drones were downed in the Podolsk district south of the city, with no casualties or damage reported. Since last year, Russia has positioned pantsir S-1 systems on Flakturm-like metal towers across various locations in Moscow. One significant installation is near President Vladimir Putin's residence in Valdai, located in a forest on Ryabanovi Island. Satellite images from Planet.com show that this air defense position was established in March 2024. This isn't the first time the area's defenses have been in the spotlight. The VCHK OGPU Telegram channel previously linked Ukrainian drone attacks on St. Petersburg to the transfer of air defense systems to protect key sites like Valdai. Back in January 2023, the agency also reported another pantsir system near Putin's Valdai residence in Yashcharovo, highlighting the strategic importance of these defenses. These anti-aircraft positions, featuring pantsir S-1 systems on elevated platforms, were first deployed about a year ago. The raised towers significantly enhance the radar's range and ability to detect low-flying targets. This strategy is reminiscent of the Flak towers used by Nazi Germany during World War II, designed to defend against Allied air raids. The deployment of these modern Flakturm-style defenses highlights Russia's continued efforts to strengthen its airspace against the increasing threats posed by Ukrainian forces. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.